it's not hard to figure out, right? But you have to pay attention. And I think that would be very disrespectful if they've allowed me. But again, I've been very blessed and humbled to just be in rooms, and I don't want to squander that or tarnish my reputation or put the company in a position where they don't want to deal with us. So that's why I don't just blatantly ask things. I would much rather just say, certain things and then hear what they have to say around that and then try to read it out versus, causing problems. And I think a lot of people would do well to do that versus, and there's times to be blunt. There's always times to be blunt, but I'm not, and even if they did tell me, I wouldn't kiss and tell, especially if you have NDAs. So, Prez Nick says, you called it. You said there would be a pullback. Do you see the markets crashing, some more, including XRP, or is this the bottom? What would you do if after price appreciation you had almost $10 million, bonds, bills, high yield? He's good. So $10 million in XRP, I think, is going to be very similar to the financial products that you just mentioned. It will be a liquidity mechanism. You will be able to put it to work in liquidity pools or other structured products in order to be able to generate low risk returns. It will be premium collateral, in my opinion, very similar to treasury bills or bonds. High yield, there will for sure be high yield things, especially in the liquidity pools. You'll just have to understand the risks that are associated with those opportunities and be able to assess if those are the right, if you are suitable for those, if they meet your risk criteria, and you have some way to be able to mitigate those risks and structure it the right way. If it's a portion of your portfolio that's on the higher risk end, which I think some people will participate that way, I think that you're going to have a variety of products to be able to put your XRP to work, very similar to how you do with dollars. And so, the large majority, I would expect most people to be in low risk, lower yield stuff, and then maybe take a portion of it and do medium risk stuff, and then a small portion of it and move to the high end of the risk curve with that. And then you'd have a blended return across those that would be pretty stable. That's what we're looking to achieve with the products that we're going to be bringing to market at Digital Ascension Group. So, that's, again, biased opinion. That's just the way that we're thinking about it. So there will be people